footprints in the sand. How can we use the transformational geometry tools of GeoGebra to create that? I'll show you how right here. So here we have a footprint, right? And in order to make footprints, we need to first reflect it. So let's actually make a line here. We'll use the line tool to build a line. Looks like the line could be maybe right here, right? And we'll use the reflect about line tool to do this. So to use that tool, just click on what you want to reflect and click on the line. So there we go. Go back to the move arrow and you can now move this around. See what I mean? Now we have something like that. But this doesn't make sense because nobody just jumps and jumps and jumps, right? We're going to have to hide this. But we're going to have to move this up a little bit. What geometry transformation occurs to do that? Oh, wait, a translation, right. So let's make a vector. See the vector tool? We can actually try to make the vector maybe the length of the foot or the width of the foot there. We could change that, right? So now what we want to do is hit the translate by vector tool. We'll translate by vector. We click on what we want to translate and we'll click on the vector. There we go. Let's do it again. Let's actually click on this and click on that. We'll click on this, then click on that. In fact, we could do it to this as well, right? So it looks like the person's jumping, if you will. Click on that, click on the vector, click on that, click on the vector. Oh my goodness. And now, right, how do we actually make it look like a set of footprints? Ooh, see, kind of make it look like that. We can actually just go take here and right click and uncheck show object. So I'll show every other one. Uncheck, uncheck, and there you go. Here we have what we call in geometry a glide reflection, right? It's a composition of a reflection and a translation. So here's an activity you can use to give your students in order to have them work with these transformations conceptually while making something kind of cool and meaningful.